Hello everyone, welcome to the living room here at Rathbone Manor, and my old armchair, which has seen an awful lot of use over the years and is beginning to wear out. It's got plenty of wear all over it and holes and what have you. I have had to patch up the arm with some duct tape several times because the way I lean on it with my elbows made a hole through the leather, as you can see. And of course somebody's more than ample bottom has made some nice holes in the seat as well. Completely worn away. It's getting a little bit uncomfortable. Look at that. It's getting a little bit uncomfortable to sit in now as well, to be honest with you. But so we've had them for about, I don't know, 15 to 20 years maybe. And this is how long we've had the chair and the sofa, since the year 2000. And so it was time for an upgrade. Mrs Rathbone found apparently a very nice two-seater sofa, also leather, in her charity shop the other day, and she decided you know, it would do for me, so she's purchased it. I haven't seen it yet, so as soon as it's delivered it'll be the first time I've laid eyes on it. Apparently it's quite a nice one. Well, let's just have a look when it's delivered, shall we, guys? Okay, so having taken my chair apart, it looks like a sleigh. I think I'll see if I can sell it to Santa for Christmas. What do you think, guys? Okay, so here's the rest of it. This is what's left of the chair. So, yep, just waiting for the new one to arrive, which should be any time soon. Alrighty then, everyone. The new sofa is here. It's just been delivered. This is my first look at it. I do have to attach one of the legs. That'll be that one down there, so we'll have to do that. But looks quite nice, doesn't it? What do you think, guys? I'll just fix this leg on and we'll have a look at it properly. Okay, so I've got an Allen key and the foot and a screw. We'll get it hopefully mounted. I think it's going. I hope it's going. Okay, so we've discovered the little captive nut in there. It's a bit loose, so I'm going to have to find a workaround for that. As you can see, it's just turning around. Look. Okay, so the problem is you've got this sort of little crimped in nut type thing here, and we've put the screw in there, and as you can see it is completely loose. So my workaround is I have two little, because this is set into wood here, so I've got a couple of little wood screws here, so I'm going to try screwing them in. One there and probably one over the other side, and that should hold it in place. Let's give it a go. Hopefully. Alrighty. That's number one, which you can see there. See if I can get one round the other side here. Bit in the way of the camera, I think. But hopefully these little wood screws should get into the little slots in there and hold it in place, I'm hoping. What's that like? Okay, let's see if we've been successful here. Certainly looks like it. It's not moving anymore, although the thread seems to be a little bit on the tight side of things, unless I've got it cross-threaded, of course. We'll give it a go, see what happens. It's a bit tight, but it's definitely going in there now, and there's no slop anymore. There we go, right in. Okay, let's have it out. Bring in the foot, screw it in, and voila, sorted. Okay, so we decided to strip the other one down because it's got some nice leather on it, so Mrs Rathbone's after the leather, and I've just broken all the woodwork down quite nicely. So that's 20 years worth of sitting. Now it's all coming apart. Okay guys, so we've got it into situ now, and I'm going to have my first sit in it. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, nice. Looks alright, isn't it? Not only that, look at this. Oh yeah, I can watch the television very comfortably from here. What do you reckon to that then, guys? So I think this is quite a nice find by Mrs Rathbone in the charity shop. I think it cost her about £120 if I remember rightly. Nicely leather. There's hardly any wear or usage to it at all. And as I say, you know, we can just relax quite nicely and watch the TV. Okay, so it feels really quite comfortable, to be honest with you. I wonder if there's any fibres tucked down the back here. Would be interesting to take a look for, wouldn't it? See if there's any money stashed down here. I can't see anything yet. But yeah, so there we go. I can get very comfortable and watch the TV now. So I've been sitting in my old chair for the last 20 years and completely worn it out. So hopefully this little fellow here will last another 20 years, I hope. I'm not sure what the make is. We couldn't see a make on it anywhere, but I could have a look and see if I can find out. Okay, so I've turned it upside down. We can actually see the model number, etc. here. We've got model Salisbury regular sofa, colour chocolate. So that's all right. I like chocolate, but I can't see any manufacturer's name on here at all. But never mind. Hey, so it's model Salisbury, so we might be able to find it from that. Okay then everyone, my new sofa. I've finally seen it. So Mrs Rathbone picked it up. She found it in the charity shop. She knew I needed a replacement chair, and she quite sensibly grabbed it up, took the price label off of it, what have you, and paid for it, and here it is in the house. So it's looks good, so I'll have to let you know. Keep an eye on my Instagram and I'll let you know how I get on sitting in it this evening while I'm watching TV. What I'll do is I'll see if I can do some research. If I can find out who made it, I'll put it down the bottom here somewhere. Alright guys, well thanks for popping over to Rathbone Manor again and taking a look at my new little two-seater sofa here, nicely made of leather. It doesn't look like it's been used very much at all, does it really? So that's a bonus for the price we paid for it, so that's quite good. And yeah, alright guys, well thanks for popping over and I'll catch you laters.